Oh, y'all, Shigasi Paris. Today I'm in here pressing up some Walablanks coasters from Heat Transfer Warehouse. They got round ones, they got square ones. Y'all go check them out. We're going to see how they press up today. I'm just going to make two of them, his and hers, you know. I'll show you the square ones at the heat press. Shout out Squad, man. You dig, lifestyle, all things styles. My guys, Mike T's, man. If you haven't already, man, come join the Facebook group. Hashtag the Squad. Man, we be having special guests and lives, and it's a whole bunch of motivation, whole bunch of inspiration in there, man. Y'all come check out the group. There's a link in the description. Seek Paris 12 going apparel. I'm gone.
Going apparel, the dream in my eye. I be an example to myself in the tears that I cry.
They also got some square ones. We're not gonna be using those today. I'm gonna just press up a couple of these round ones, just putting the logo on. Some basic red just to see how these turn out. They're really cheap. They're less than $2 a piece, so you can make a good profit off of them. And doing a sublimation, it won't be so hard. Just sub and go. So we're gonna do that. As you notice, my slide out drawer on my heat press has become my table. Really big in the slide out drawer. So I'm gonna just get these taped down.
From a fat little kid that got a kick out of life, I never did change up, that's word to Christ. I always been the same, that's word to life. From adolescence to adulthood, that's just Mike. When faced with certain trials, there was always tribulations. Thinking back now on the fact I was facing decades in jail, hoping for probation. Looking at the judge with thirst and desperation. Thinking to myself, what kind of game is this? Where they teach us how to drown, but don't teach us how to live. Always had one dream, but never got that wish. Always been about self, but never selfish.
Alright, so as you can see, we got them taped down. Pressing at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. Medium to firm pressure. Make sure you put your top over there in case you're bleeding. Just let it cook.
From a fat little kid that got a kick out of life, I never did change up, that's word to Christ. I always been the same, that's word to life. From adolescence to adulthood, that's just Mike. When faced with certain trials, there was always tribulations. Thinking back now on the fact I was facing decades in jail, hoping for probation. Looking at the judge with thirst and desperation. Thinking to myself, what kind of game is this? Where they teach us how to drown, but don't teach us how to live. Always had one dream, but never got that wish. Always been about self, but never selfish.
Alright, so that's the 60 seconds. It's a hot peel. So let me just flip it over. Be easier. That was off a little bit, but it looks good. Hey, just for me here at the house, so. They take ink pretty well. They're hot. Don't tell my wife I'm holding these like this hot, because my hands burn real easy. She gonna cuss me out. As you see, they took that ink really well. This one was off a little bit. I don't know how I missed it, but hey. Walablanks coasters, like I said, they less than $2 on Heat Transfer Warehouse. There's a link in the description. Just think all the possibilities of what you can do with these. So, link down in the description. Y'all hit that link, affiliate link. Help the channel out. Seek Paris 12 on Apparel. I'll see y'all next time.
Going apparel, the dream in my eye. I be an example to myself in the tears that I cry.
From a fat little kid that got a kick out of life. I never did change up, that's word to Christ.
What's going on, y'all? She got Seek Paris. Today I'm in here. I got some coasters, Walablanks coasters from Heat Transfer Warehouse. We're going to press them up, see how they turn out. They got round ones. They got some what's going on? Alright, so they also got some square ones.
Going apparel, the dream in my eye. I be an example to myself in the tears that I cry.